Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add cool effects on your video by using CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app here. Now tap on new project. From here you guys can find out your videos and also your photos. Choose the video that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna add this one. And then you guys can find out effect option. Here, tap on. Now you guys can find out video effects. Tap on here. You guys can find out a lot of effects here. Simply you guys can use them on your video. But if you guys want to make it cool, then you have to use another method. To make your video go viral, you have to make it eye-catching. So you have to add the effects that will not match with other people. For this, I am going to show you a method. Tap on adjust here. And now you guys can find out a lot of options under adjustment. But I'm going to show you how you guys can make your video look cool by using only two options from here. At first you have to tap on contrast and then make it 10. After that you guys can find out saturation option. Make it also 10. And here tap on sharpen and move it like this. After this you guys can find out highlights option. Tap on here and make it 15. And now let's delete the adjustment from here. This is the original video, and after putting the adjustment you guys can find out the differences. Add the effect that you want to add. I'm going to add this one. After putting it, I'm going to add another effect. Now let's add the effect. Now let's make the effect longer. And now watch the video. See how cool it looks. So this is how you guys can add cool effects on your video by using CapCut mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.